Welcome back to Love Vegan Kitchen. This week we are going to cook yellow curry. So really easy recipe again today. Cooking about 15 to 20 minutes. The ingredient in front of me, that's all I'm going to use today. We're going to cook with tofu, and this is yellow curry paste. Yellow curry paste. And I got butternut squash here. If you prefer a different vegetable, you can, such as a carrot, something like that. And I use sweet potato. You can also replace it with potato if you like. And also white onion. And I got some coconut milk here. I also going to use the same amount of water into the coconut milk when we move to the hob. And then seasoning with palm sugar and salt. So we don't use fish salt at all, so we use palm sugar and salt for seasoning. So let's go move to the hob and start cooking our curry. Now I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon of the oil, just like that, not much. And then you're gonna fry some curry paste. I'm gonna use half of it because I don't want it too spicy today. And you cook the curry paste for a couple minutes, and then after that you're gonna add some coconut milk into it. The yellow curry is really my curry. I think out of all the curry that we had, like red curry, green curry, massaman, I'd find this yellow curry is quite mild, not spicy, quite creamy. We had this Indonesian curry from India, I believe, and it got like aroma. Yeah. And some people has it with rice, some people has it with roti, thing like that, or chapati or something like bread. Will pop up on the screen. Chapati, what it look like. But I normally serve it with rice, and today we are going to serve with rice. And now time to add some coconut milk in. This coconut milk is about 200 milliliters. I'm gonna use all of it, and I'm gonna add some water, about 150 to 200 milliliters as well, so as it creates a little bit more salt. So cooking for maybe 2 to 3 minutes until it starts bubbling. Simmer. You can smell the curry and the coconut mixed together. It smells really nice now. I'm gonna add some water. So after a couple more minutes, I'm going to add some sweet potato. So I find sweet potato will cook easier than normal potato, and also butternut squash is also easy to cook. It's time to add some sweet potato. And I'm going to add some butternut squash at the same time. So like I say, if you just don't have these two vegetables, you can just put some like yellow peppers and carrots and potato. So we not tend to use the green vegetable in this yellow curry. And also this is really important, I tend to add the white onion every time. So people ask me if you can add red onion or not. You can also add red onion, but I prefer white onion. So add a little bit of white onion to create some like sweet is out of it. So I'm gonna add all the vegetable now, and after maybe about 5 to 7 minutes, after the veggie is a bit softened, I'm going to add tofu. So tofu is really easy to cook, and after that we're going to season it with palm sugar and salt. After the vegetable is a bit softened, so I'm gonna add some tofu. So I don't add tofu at the same time because it otherwise going to be overcooked, so I just add it after 7 to 10 minutes after you cook some veggies already. So then now you continue to cook for another 5 minutes until the tofu is absorb the curry sauce into it. So we'll be ready to serve soon. So I will cook in like medium heat for another 5 minutes. After everything is cooked, so we're gonna add some palm sugar and some salt. Maybe about half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna make this palm sugar melt. And then after that, we're ready to serve. So this is almost ready, so I'm gonna go and serve up with white rice today, but you can also have it with vegan egg fried rice. If you like to know how I make vegan egg fried rice, is the link down in the description box down below under the video. You can click to watch it. Okay, let's go and dish up. So this is today our yellow curries I'm gonna dish up and serve with white rice. Here you go, vegan yellow curry for this week. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I will see you again next Thursday at 7 PM UK time. We cook all the vegan food at Love Vegan. Bye bye for today. See you next time. Bye bye.